Hi, this is Charlie from Path of the Bee. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a divided inner cover and matching top cover for my Double Nuc box. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and assemble an inner cover the same as we would for our regular hive. The first thing I want to do is I want to locate the center of this. 7 7/8. Use my T-square here to draw a nice straight line. We're just going to use that reference later to put our divider in. We're gonna cut in our dado in here, so we want to make certain that we don't put our brads right in the center of this. So that notch is going to be 4 inches in from the edge. So we're just going to eyeball it, stay away from it, go on either side. Okay, and then while I have it sit here like this, I'm going to go ahead and locate the center. So that's going to be 8 1/8. And this is just a line so we know where to put our brads through from the back side here. Okay, so this is the new piece that we'll cut to make the divider out of. It's 18 3/8 of an inch long, 1/2 inch thick, 3/4 wide. I'll go ahead and put just a bit of glue here, and then we'll flip it over and brad nail it in. So I'm going to use these little nails, same nails I used in the corner here, to go ahead and stake this right in the edge so that I don't lose my location. Okay, and then we will brad nail this in from this back side. Okay, now we're going to put our ventilation notch in here. This is adjusted 3/8 of an inch deep. It's a 3/4 inch wide dado blades on there. And I'm going to measure out here 11 3/4 of an inch from the fence to the inside of the blade. And so that would also be 3 3/4 of an inch from the outside of the blade to the outside of the lid. Okay, there we have it. Divided inner cover for Double Nuc. So as you can see here, these notches are going to match up in the lid that I make. So this is a standard telescoping lid that I make. I have the video instructions there in my do-it-yourself woodworking playlist. So before you assemble the telescoping cover, you're going to, instead of putting the groove in the center on one end on both pieces, you're gonna just measure in there and put a dado in 4 1/2 inches by 3/8 of an inch deep. And what that does is that allows that upper ventilation groove. It can also, those dimensions are large enough that the bees can use it for an entrance. So this would also is a way to make an upper entrance on a beehive. Okay, so I will put a link to the original plans for the inner cover and the telescoping cover that I referenced in this video in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. We'll catch you next time.